Hello everyone, and welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews on the latest gadgets and tools. Today, we're diving into the world of indoor gardening with a closer look at what might just be the best automatic watering system. For your grow tent, the VIVOSUN Professional Automatic Drip Irrigation Kit. If you're like me and enjoy growing plants indoors, whether it's herbs, vegetables, or even flowers, you know that consistent watering is key to healthy and thriving plants. The VIVOSUN Automatic Drip Irrigation Kit promises to take the guesswork out of watering, making it easier than ever to maintain optimal soil moisture levels without the hassle of manual watering. Let's start by breaking down what makes this kit stand out. It comes equipped with a powerful 15W submersible pump capable of delivering up to 1,000 liters of water per hour. What does that mean for you? Well, it ensures that your plants get a consistent supply of water, promoting faster growth and potentially higher yields. One of the standout features is its programmable timer and regulator. This allows you to set up to 20 different watering schedules, both manually and automatically. Whether you're away on vacation or simply busy with daily life, this system gives you the flexibility to customize watering times to suit your plant's needs. Installing the VIVOSUN Drip Irrigation Kit is a breeze. It's designed for DIY setup and can be installed in just about 10 minutes. No need to fuss with complicated plumbing or connecting to a tap. Simply place the pump in a bucket of water, set up the emitters, and you're good to go. Plus, it includes a handy drilling tool to prevent any siphoning issues, ensuring efficient water delivery to your plants. In terms of performance, this kit delivers on its promise of quiet operation, emitting only 30 to 40 decibels when in use. That means no disruptive noise, which is perfect for indoor use where peace and quiet are appreciated. The drip emitters with flow stabilizers ensure uniform water distribution, preventing soil erosion and optimizing water usage, a win-win for both your plants and the environment. This kit isn't just limited to grow tents. It's suitable for a variety of growing mediums, including soil, rock wool, and coco coir. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, this versatile system adapts to your needs, accommodating up to 8 pots with ease. To wrap it up, the VIVOSUN Professional Automatic Drip Irrigation Kit is a game-changer for indoor gardeners looking to automate their watering process effectively. With its robust features, ease of installation, and reliable performance, it's no wonder this kit has garnered praise from gardening enthusiasts worldwide. If you're interested in taking your indoor gardening to the next level, check out the link in the description below to find out more about the VIVOSUN Automatic Drip Irrigation Kit. Don't forget to subscribe to Product Critique for more reviews on products that make life easier and more enjoyable. And that's it for today's review. Thank you so much for watching. And I'll see you next time on Product Critique. Happy gardening!